Hello, my name is Sean, and this is Cruise Through Life. If you're thinking about sailing with Virgin Voyages, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down 10 pros and 10 cons of this adults only cruise line, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive in. First up, the pros. Number 1, adults only experience. One of the biggest draws of Virgin Voyages is that it is exclusively for guests 18 and older. This means no kids running around, making it perfect for those looking for a more sophisticated and relaxed atmosphere. Number 2, unique and inclusive dining options. Unlike traditional cruise lines, Virgin Voyages has no buffet or main dining room. Instead, you get access to over 20 specialty restaurants, all included in the fare. Options range from steak and seafood to Korean barbecue and Michelin-inspired cuisine. Number 3, all-inclusive perks. Your cruise fare includes Wi-Fi, gratuities, fitness classes, and basic beverages like sodas and coffee. This means fewer hidden fees compared to other cruise lines where these add-ons can stack up quickly. Virgin Voyages ships are ultra-modern, featuring smart cabin technology, mood lighting, and a sleek futuristic design. You can control your cabin settings with the touch of an app, making it one of the most high-tech cruise experiences out there. Number 5, unique entertainment and nightlife. Virgin Voyages redefines cruise entertainment with immersive shows, drag performances, and nightclub-style parties. Expect high-energy productions, secret pop-up performances, and interactive experiences you won't find on traditional cruise ships. Number 6, no formal dress code. Unlike most cruise lines, Virgin Voyages has no formal nights. You can dress however you like, whether it's casual beachwear, stylish evening attire, or even a costume for one of their themed parties. Number 7, extensive wellness and fitness options. From boxing classes to sunrise yoga, and an outdoor running track, Virgin Voyages prioritizes health and wellness. The ships feature top-tier gyms, a huge spa, and even meditation sessions for those looking to unwind. Number 8, cool social atmosphere. Virgin Voyages fosters a community-like social environment. With communal tables, interactive game nights, and themed events, it's perfect for solo travelers, couples, and groups looking to meet like-minded people. Number 9, eco-friendly cruising. Sustainability is a big focus for Virgin Voyages. Their ships use energy-efficient technology, no single-use plastics, and responsibly sourced food. If you care about eco-conscious travel, Virgin is ahead of the game. Number 10, exclusive beach club in Bimini. Many itineraries include a stop at the beach club at Bimini, Virgin's private island experience. Here you'll find white sand beaches, luxurious cabanas, and DJ-led pool parties, giving you the perfect mix of relaxation and fun. Now, let's talk about the cons. Number 1, not ideal for traditional cruisers. If you love the classic dining room experience, Broadway-style shows, and traditional cruising elements, Virgin Voyages might feel too unconventional for your taste. The modern, edgy vibe isn't for everyone. Number 2, pricey compared to other cruise lines. While Virgin includes a lot in the fare, the initial price can be higher than mainstream cruise lines. If you're on a strict budget, you may find better value elsewhere, especially for shorter sailings. Number 3, fewer departure ports. Currently, Virgin Voyages has a limited number of departure ports, primarily in Miami, Barcelona, and Athens. If you don't live near these areas, getting to the ship might add extra travel costs. Number 4, edgy and non-traditional entertainment. While many people love Virgin's bold and interactive shows, some might find them too risque or unconventional. If you prefer classic Broadway-style performances, this might not be the best fit. Number 5, smaller pool areas. Unlike massive cruise pools on other lines, Virgin Voyages has smaller, shallow pools designed more for lounging than swimming. If you're looking for big pool areas with water slides, this might be disappointing. Number 6, limited loyalty program perks. Since Virgin Voyages is still relatively new, their loyalty program isn't as developed as those of more established cruise lines. Frequent cruisers may find fewer incentives compared to brands like Royal Caribbean or Celebrity. Number 7, a lack of family or group accommodations. Virgin's ships are designed for couples and solo travelers, meaning there are no family suites or kid-friendly accommodations. If you're traveling in a group that requires larger rooms, options are limited. Number 8, no casinos on board. Unlike most major cruise lines, Virgin Voyages does not have a casino. If you enjoy spending time at the slot machines or playing poker at sea, this could be a deal breaker. Number 9. Limited destination variety. While Virgin Voyages offers fantastic Caribbean and Mediterranean itineraries, they don't yet have Alaska, Asia, or other worldwide sailings. If you're looking for diverse global routes, you may need to wait. Number 10. Not the best for relaxation-only travelers. While there are relaxation spaces, Virgin's energy is geared towards a lively and social crowd. If you're looking for a quiet cruise with minimal partying, you might want to consider a more traditional line. So, is Virgin Voyages worth it? If you love adults-only cruising, amazing dining, high-energy nightlife, and a modern experience, absolutely. But if you're looking for a classic, family-friendly, or traditional cruise, it may not be the right fit. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise tips, and let me know in the comments down below, would you sail with Virgin Voyages? I hope to see you on board sometime soon.